Hello, I'm Abby from MultiMedia. Today we'll be having a tutorial on how to make letters bounce in AM. Let's get started. So first step in AM or Alight motion and create a project. Pick any background you'd like, such as grey, white, black or transparent. For now, for this tutorial we'll be using black. And name your project whichever you'd like. I'm going to be naming this tutorial and create the project. Once you're inside, open the green plus sign, create text from the text column, for the tutorial we'll be using the word hello. Make the font as big as you want. Make it really small if you want to. Feel free to change the font as I'm doing here. Pick the color you want the text to be. I'll be picking yellow. Now you'll be changing the color to a color different from yellow, such as purple, so it can differentiate from the colors. Now duplicate the layer. And edit the text so there's only the H letter. Change the color to the color you want, such as yellow here. Go into Move and Transform. Go to the second place or the place we can rotate. The anchor isn't at the position we want it to be, so we'll be changing the position. Press on the green highlighter part again. Move the anchor or the pivot point to the desired location, as I'm doing here. Now go back to the rotation place and add keyframes. Go to the first keyframe and rotate it till you can't see the letter. I've done it here for about -90. So now go in between the two keyframes and curve the line upwards so it's bouncy. You can curve it downwards, but it makes the letter seem like it's hitting the ground. So it's better to have it upwards. Now we duplicate our H and change it to the next letter E. And we move the letter where you can't see the purple E anymore. And keep on duplicating the layers and moving them till you don't have any more purple letters. But we aren't done yet, since the letters look like they're moving at the same time. Kind of doesn't look really nice. So move the layers by 3 spaces or 2 spaces or to your liking, and make sure they're even so they come off rather smooth. And now we're done. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you next time.